Hello, how are you doing? This is teacher Daniot and this video is for you. If you'd like to know some important sentence, this video is for you. You're gonna learn the sentence you need the most. Phrase qu'on va l'apprendre yo, c'est phrase qu'on connaît, ou vle connaît plus en anglais, but you know them in Creole. Now, these are the sentences that you're gonna learn today with me. The first is in Haitian Creole. These phrases are in Haitian Creole because you are Haitian. This video is for you especially. And after, I'm going to give you how to say them in English. The first sentence is "Ma fè yon ti kabisha." How to say "Ma fè yon ti kabisha." And then, comment capable di "Mwen soif, s'il vous plaît, bam un peu de l'eau m'bouè." And how to say "Mwen an blokis." You know, Haiti, and not only in Haiti, wherever you are in the world, ou capable nan blokis. Madame mwen bien, la passe rad nan salon. You need to know how to say that. And m'a cherché yon job. You know, job. Ok, haïtien répéter le tout, bien que son anglicisme. And moi regrette ça pour vous. Comment vous dites, moi regrette ça pour vous. And est-ce que vous avez une augmentation dans le travail là, s'il vous plaît? And then moins grand goût. And more, you're gonna learn more. So when I'm coming back, I'm going to give you and help you to pronounce all these sentences in English because I know they might be important for you. And English sentences you need the most. I know you need them. I'm coming back. Welcome back. Now it's time to learn how to say these sentences in English. Ma fè yon ti kabisha, how can you say that in English? It's very simple. Maybe you might not know it before, but now it's time to know how, not only knowing that, how to pronounce it correctly. So guys, I am taking a nap. This is how they say in Creole, ma fè yon ti kabisha. Taking a nap, like you might be tired and you sit down or you just lie down on the bed and you forget everything. And when they shake you, you wake up. You say, "Oh, I was taking a nap. Ma fè un ti kabisha." Ou bien me font ti dormi. A nap is a short sleep. Son ti dormi tout court. I am taking a nap. I'm taking a nap. Ma font ti kabisha, ma font ti dormi tout court. I'm taking a nap. Yes, this is the correct way they say that. I'm taking a nap. C'est kon sa yo dil d'une manière formelle. Ma font ti kabisha. But mwen soif, s'il vous plaît, ba men pe de l'eau m'bouè. So, if you're learning to speak a language, this sentence is an important one. This is one you have to know. C'est une phrase ko dwe konnen parce que sou yon kote fò ka dégager ou. If you are thirsty, for example, si ou soif, pou kapab di sa. I am thirsty, ça veut dire mwen soif. But now you pronounce this as the TH sound, the voiceless TH. You say thirsty, thirsty. I am thirsty. You can say she is thirsty or James is thirsty. Maria is thirsty. Not only I am. Mark can be thirsty also. And I am thirsty. Please give me some water to drink. Americans say water, but British accent, they say water. Give me some water to drink. Choose what you want. Please give me some water to drink. Please give me some water to drink. Pronounce fast when speaking in a conversation. You say, please give me some water to drink if you want to be natural in a conversation. I am thirsty. Please give me some water to drink. I am thirsty. Please give me some water to drink. Okay, you are thirsty. You need some water to drink. Okay. And mwen an blokis. How to say that? Mwen an blokis. Like, I know some people when le an blokis, they lie. Yo bay manti. Yo di mpreske rive. Anyway, I don't know. So, mwen an blokis. Would you like to know how to say mwen an blokis en anglais? And pronounce it well? This is how they say mwen an blokis. I am in a traffic jam. I am, or I have the contracted form. I say I am. I am in a traffic jam. But say it naturally. You have to link. You say I'm in a. Ou you link here. Ou fait liaison là. I'm in a. I'm in a. Can you repeat after me? I am in a traffic jam. I am in a traffic jam. When I'm blocus kounya, I am coming. I'm in a traffic jam now. I am coming. Map vini. Wait for me, please. It's not my fault. I'm on a traffic jam now. When I'm blocus kounya la. I am in a traffic jam. Can you repeat after me? I am in a traffic jam. When I'm blocus. And not only this, if you're talking about your husband or you're talking about your wife, either you can say your husband or your wife. Mwen ka di madame mwen bien, like if someone asks about your wife or if someone asks about your husband. So moun mande pou madame ou bien pou mari ou, you capable répondre madame mwen bien ou bien mari bien. Okay, but you say husband for mari. La passe rad nan salon. You might be talking to someone on the telephone. Like when you're talking to the person and he or she asks you for your wife or your husband. Ou capable répondre, madame ou bien si son fil ka di mari moins bien, la passe rad nan salon. Hey, let's see how to say that in American or in British English. My wife is okay. But if you don't want to say my wife, you can say my husband. My husband. If you don't like to say wife, you can say husband. It depends on you. Ça dépend de vous-même. If you don't want to say wife, you can say husband. Okay, my wife is okay. Or my husband is okay. Madame ou en femme, li okay. My wife is okay or my husband is okay. When you're talking about your wife, you have to say she because you know the pronoun she li attribué avec pronom she li attribué avec personne de sexe féminin. She is ironing in the living room. La passe rad, la passe nan salon. Where is your wife, John? Oh, how is your wife, John? She's okay. My wife is okay. She's ironing in the living room. La passe rad nan salon. Oh, Marim okay. My husband is okay. Si son fi ka pale. He, now you will not say she anymore when talking about your husband. You have to say he. Lo pale de mari ou pap ka di she. Ou ap utilize pronom he. He is ironing in the living room. Ironing in the living room. Living room. She is ironing in the living room. She is ironing in the living room. Can you say it? She is ironing in the living room. She is ironing in the living room. Repeat after me. My wife is okay. She is ironing in the living room. Madame mwen femme la passe nan salon. My husband is okay. He is ironing in the living room. Mari mwen femme la passe rad nan salon. Greet him for me. Salue mari ou pou mwen. Greet him for me. Greet him for me. Salue el pou mwen. Greet him for me. Or greet your wife for me. Salue madame ou pou mwen. Or salue mari ou pou mwen. Now, comment pou di map chercher un job? Like you can go to a country like a foreign country, an English speaking country, and you don't have a job yet. You need a job because you can't live without having a job. So, map chercher un job, but you'd like to know how to say that in English to go to ask for a job. How to say map chercher un job or I need a job, but map chercher un job is I am looking for a job. The verb is to look for, and I am looking for a job. Now I am looking for a job. I am looking for a job. I am looking for a job. Can you help me? I am looking for a job. Ou ka edem? Map cherche un job. Because no one can live without having a job. Person pa ka viv san ke l pa gen yon job. Okay? You cannot live without a job. And now, you finish to know how to say map cherche un job. I am looking for a job. I'm looking for a job. You can say a, but native say a in a conversation, in a fast conversation. When you're speaking easily, you say a. I'm looking for a job. I need a book. I need something. I need a. You say a as an indefinite article. Now, moi regrette ça pour, like something bad happened to your friend. You say, moi regrette ça. Moi regrette ça pour. Okay? Moi vraiment regrette ça pour. Moi regrette ça pour. How to say? Moi regrette ça pour en anglais. You say, I am sorry for you. Not sorry. No R sound and no R sound. In the English language, you have R sound. Pas gen R like French R. We have R. Don't say sorry. Say sorry. Sorry is not sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. Moi désolé. Moi regrette. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for that. I'm sorry. Moi regrette. I'm sorry for you. Moi regrette pour vous. Moi désolé. Ça fait mal pour vous. I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry for you, Janine. I'm sorry for you, Luke. I'm sorry for you. Est-ce qu'on a une augmentation dans le travail là? But if you're working so long time, you're working and the boss doesn't give you your augmentation and you like to ask for according to the working law, d'après loi travail, pour une augmentation. But politely, you have to ask for your augmentation. How can you say that? You can say, please, may you give me a raise? May you give me a raise, please? Or please, may you give me a raise? Or you can say, may you please give me a raise? Ou kap mette plus dans n'importe côté ou vle, ou kap mette l'avant, you can put it before or after or in the middle. You can say, please, may you give me a raise? Est-ce que vous capable ban moi une augmentation s'il vous plaît? Please, may you give me a raise? Or you can say, may you please give me a raise? Yeah. And we are here. Moins grand goût. My belly is empty. Si ventre vide. To say, moins grand goût. Like if you are in a space, you know nobody, you don't know what to do, you know nobody, you don't know anyone where you are. So you are really hungry and you don't have any money, you don't have anything to buy food. You can say to somebody, even you speak English or not, même si tu parles anglais ou pas, but ou capable utiliser phrase pour moun nan edo. But remember, always say please. Souvent dit please, this word. Toujours dit please, this word means s'il vous plaît. But for politeness, pour politesse, you say please. If you are hungry, you can say my belly is empty. Belly, this is this. My stomach is empty. Ventre moins vide. Or you can say I'm hungry. It's easy. This is easy. I'm hungry. Moins grand goût. I'm hungry. I am hungry. Now, it's time to remind you all of them. Ma fè un ti kabisha. How you pronounce this? I'm taking a nap. Yes. And, moins soif. S'il vous plaît, est-ce que vous capable un peu de l'eau bien? But now it's not a question. But est-ce que vous capable, s'il vous plaît, ban moi un peu de l'eau? Not a question. S'il vous plaît, ban moi un peu de l'eau. You say, I'm thirsty. Please give me some water to drink. Yes. Good. Mwen blocus. I think you'd like to say that well. Mwen blocus. I'm in a traffic jam. Yes, good. I'm in a traffic jam. Madame mwen bien, ou bien mari bien, la passe rad nan salon. You say, my wife is okay. She is ironing in the living room. Or my husband is okay. He is ironing in the living room. Remember to say she when talking about wife and say he when you're talking about husband. He. And now, m'a cherché un job. How do you say that? I am looking for a job. That's great. Mwen regret sa pou. How to say that? Really simple. I'm sorry for you. Really good. Est-ce que vous pouvez me une augmentation, s'il vous plaît? Augmentation dans le travail, là, assurément. Please, may you give me a raise? May you please give me a raise? Est-ce que vous pouvez me augmentation dans le travail, là? Please, may you give me a raise? Or may you please give me a raise? And moi grand go, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Any food? My belly is empty. Vote moins vide. Thank you so much for watching the video. But before scrolling, thumbs up and then comment below to say if you'd like the video and subscribe if you didn't do that before. Supat ko abonne and then share the video. Love you so much. Pas oublier regarder dans la description vidéo and to know everything you need to know about us. Bye bye for next video. Catch you later.